Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to execute Python in Visual Studio Code. If you have installed Visual Studio Code application and then if you want to execute Python, you have to install Python in your laptop or PC. If you are using Windows OS, you can use this link. You can get the steps for installing Python in Windows OS. If you are using Mac OS, then you can follow the instructions in this link so that you will be able to install Python in your Mac OS. The next important thing is in your Visual Studio Code, you have to install Python extension for Visual Studio Code. Once you click it, it will take you to the Visual Studio Code application and then you will be able to install the extension. Once the extension is installed, you can create a folder and then you can open the folder in your Visual Studio Code application. Create a new file with the extension ending with .py and then you can make use of, you can right click here, you can click run Python and then you can run, or you can click this run icon so that it will run your Python file, or you can select this and then you can use multiple options that are given as part of the extension. Please check the video description. In the video description, I have shared my blog post. From the blog post, you should be able to get the instructions that we discussed in this video. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.